Okay, we're here at the property located at 662 Shropshire Loop in Sanford, Florida. This is in the gated community, Dunwoody Commons, located on the west side of I-4. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story townhome. Both the bedrooms are master suites. And let's go inside. As you come in the front door, you're going to have your stairway immediately to your left, which goes up to your 2 bedrooms. You're going to have your kitchen immediately off to your right, and then you have your guest bathroom a little bit down to your left, just off of the living room, dining room combo, which then leads out to the screen enclosed patio. We'll head out to the garage area. It's a 1-car garage. Electrical panel. 1 door, garage door opener. Electric water heater. Got a closet pantry. Flat top range, overhead microwave, dishwasher. This is your half bathroom. Commode. Your living room area. And let's go upstairs. As you come upstairs, you'll notice a bonus room section. It does have a little closet. We'll go into, I actually consider this to be the 2nd bedroom. Very spacious. Large walk-in closet. This door here goes to the bathroom, which we'll go ahead and access from the bonus room. Back through the bonus room, down this short hallway, you have your upstairs utility room area, closet. We make our way into the 2nd bedroom. This bedroom has a view of the retention pond. Walk-in closet. Very spacious. Double sinks. Garden stand-up tub. We'll make our way back downstairs. Head out to the screen enclosed patio. And as you can see, opens up to your view of the retention pond. That concludes our video walkthrough tour. Property located at 662 Shropshire Loop in Sanford, Florida, in the Dunwoody Commons gated community. Brought to you by Legends Realty.